Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can link YouTube channel to Facebook page in 2023. So as you can see, this is my page, Matthew tutorial page. And what we have to do now, we have to get into our settings or into our dashboard. Let's say this is the phase that, for example, we will see our subscribers, our followers here, but we want to go to the top right corner and click on Matthew tutorials page. Obviously, this will be named after your project or after your page. There is everything at the moment that I can see. I can write down a post, add a live video, photo or video, or also add a reel. But I want to go and click on About. And here you have all the informations that only you can change and only you can show. So you can add my address, add service area, add a phone. There's an email that I had to use. All of those informations you are addressing when you are starting the page, but for the sake of the length of the video of how to create Facebook page, I skip that. But we want to go to website and social links. Here we have two options, add a website or add a social link. I'm gonna click on add a social link. Okay, just like here, username, and also we want to add not Instagram, but YouTube. Here we want to proceed exactly like that. We hit YouTube and then we are going to use the name of the channel that you will find this video on. So it's gonna be guides around the internet, add social link. You can also add more of them. See, there are tons and tons. And once you're there, click save. And here it is, guides around the internet. Before you continue, okay, accept all. Or we can do it like this, and we can just copy paste, just like that. Dropship Guru, that's the name. It's public, and if we reload the page, we still gonna have it in here. So people can just copy paste, use it like this, and they'll get straight to your channel. So that's how you can easily add it. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.